every single customer that I've dealt with that bought a NatureRail panel just emails me, calls us, say we just love it. It's the most beautiful thing. We show all our relatives, all our friends, all our neighbors. They just love it. With my paintings and my drawings, I've won a lot of art contests throughout the country, New York, Florida, Colorado. I'm taking my expertise in being a nature artist and converting it into metal work. So it's actually functional artwork that you can use in your home as a railing. And we do gates and fireplaces and murals and whatever the customer wants. If you can check out NatureRails.com, you'll see hundreds and hundreds of beautiful railings that we've done for customers already. And you can get an idea of what you want maybe in your home too. So just give us a call at NatureRails and we'll give you a free quote.